Hello, my name is Duncan Wells, Principal of Westview Sailing, author of the Stress-Free series of sailing books and creator of MOB Lifesavers. And here's a tip. Course to steer in your head. Say you're sailing on a course of 045 degrees true at a boat speed of 6 knots. The tide is setting in the direction of 135 degrees true at a rate of 2 knots, so it's on your port beam. Using the 1 in 60 rule, we multiply the speed of the tide, 2 knots, by 60 to get 120, and then divide this by our boat speed of 6 knots to get 20, and that will be in degrees true. To counter the effect of this 2-knot tide on the beam, we need to alter course by 20 degrees, so we'll alter course to 025 degrees true to sail straight down our AB line from our start position to our destination, albeit at an angle to the line. What if the tide's not exactly on the beam? Well, take the midpoint between the bow at 0 degrees and the beam at 90 degrees. Which is 45 degrees, and then split this again between 45 degrees in the bow and 45 degrees in the beam, which will give us enough options for the angle the tide could be hitting us at. And we percentage the degree to which we will counter the tide. On the beam, we take 100% of our calculation. At 67.5 degrees, we'll take 10% less than this, so 90%. At 45 degrees, we'll take 20% less than this, so 70%, and at 22.5 degrees, we'll take 30% less than this, so 40%. And so, on a 2-knot tide, when the tide is abeam, we alter course by 20 degrees. At 67.5 degrees, we take 90%, which is 18 degrees. At 45 degrees, we take 70%, and that's 14 degrees. And at 22.5 degrees, we take 40%, which is 8 degrees. We use the same percentages for a tide that is hitting us above the beam. We can't work out speed over ground with this, or therefore estimated time of arrival, but we can do course to steer in our heads. Watch out for more tips soon.